Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm sharing a Hobby Lobby haul, and this is all strictly clearance. So it's all planner goodies. Everything was on clearance. I don't know, maybe they're getting in some new items. I know as far as like the Paper Studio, I did see like new things that weren't in there last week. So they had tons, you guys. Happy Planner, Paper Studio, some other random stuff going on. So I'm gonna share everything that I got with you guys, especially my girls that have been watching my planner videos and they're either new to planning or they're getting interested because I'm influencing you. And if I am, win, that's my goal. But I want to influence you on a budget, remember. So I'm going to start off with just these washies. So they had a ton of different washies by the Paper Studio, and these were all on clearance for $1.24. You guys know I love gold. So I got one of these. I didn't go crazy. I just got these three because I already have a lot of washi and I don't feel like I'm a fully dedicated washi user, so I don't need a ton. I had to get this one. It says gorgeous, well, hello gorgeous, and then the lip prints. Super cute, super girly. And then I got this one. These were more of the smaller ones since I now have a mini planner. These thicker, wider washies are a little too much. They kind of take up too much space. A lot of times I'll cut them in half depending on like the design of it. But I saw these cute little smaller ones, and of course has my gold in there. And I love polka dots. I love polka dots. So those were the washies that I got. I also got this. I'm going to show you guys. It has nothing to do with planner, but they had all of the desk decor 50% off. How cute is that? So I just have this on my desk. I don't know. I'm probably not going to put anything in there. And then I got these box of cards. They were on clearance for $2.49. Do I need a box of cards? No. Did I want a box of cards? Yes. I'm actually planning to use these. I have a giveaway coming up, so whoever wins my giveaway will receive one of these little pretty cards in there because I just want it to be more custom to me, you know, more personal, I guess. But I thought they were so cute. Look at the bobby pins and the lashes. You guys know I love lashes. Lip gloss and lashes. That's my life. See? Lips. And then it has like, that is featured from the LOL line of Paper Studio. The Paper Studio, if I can talk, seriously has like the cutest stuff. I always was a Happy Planner girl, but I'm like starting to lean more into Paper Studio, as you'll see next. I'll show you. So moving on to the Paper Studio. In my other haul, I didn't share it here on YouTube, but last week the Paper Studio had a ton of their stuff 50% off, and I heard that they do it every other week. I'm not 100% sure. I guess I'll go next week and just randomly see. But last week everything was 50% off, so I had got me a planner that I had my eyes on forever. Well, when I went in there today and I seen all the clearance stuff, they had a little personal size, and I've been wanting to get something for my purse. And now with the Agenda 52, or they call it A5s, what I like about these, and this one, sorry, this one was $3.74, originally 15 bucks, you guys, that is a steal. And this is just the binder, so this is free to customize. But what I love about these is just the ring binder, and then it has like the pockets, and then over here more pockets. You can just set it up and have it so cute. I thought this was adorable. I love the flowers, and I'm usually not a floral person, but lately for some reason I'm becoming one. So cute. And then since this one was just the binder, the cover, they had some of the inserts on clearance, originally $15. It was only $3.74. And this is undated and it's 12 months, so it starts from February. So I thought this was perfect. Show you guys. Cute. Super cute. This is more, I think this might be a Faith one because it has like a lot of Faith sayings in it. I thought it was really pretty. But like I said, I'm a Happy Planner girl, but the Paper Studio, I've been having my eyes on these A5s, and I don't know, they're just like calling my name. And so far, my other one, I set it up and I'm finding myself using it more than my Happy Planner. Shh. I don't know, I got too many planners going on right now, but I could be addicted to worse things, right? So that was the little personal planner that I got. I was going to get a traveler's notebook. Shia, if you are watching, and Erica, and Nikki, because they've been persuading me to get one. You guys, they had one on clearance for like $7.50, and they had like the weekly inserts and all that for like $1.99. But I saw the personal A5 and I said, you know what? Maybe this will work better for me. I'm gonna stay away from it from now. I'm probably gonna regret it, but I got that one instead. And it was cheaper, saved some coins. So now moving on to the Happy Planner. I got a whole bunch of Happy Planner accessories. These are originally $10. They were on clearance for $2.49. That is a freaking steal. This was just the appointments roll. And these are all the stickers that come in the back. The gold did it, you guys. But, you know, I have kids, so we have a lot of doctor's appointments and just a lot of appointments and stuff going on. And I thought these little stickers were super cute for my planning. So these are all the stuff that comes in there. I got this one. This was a checklist one. This one was also $2.49. And I really liked this one because of the long checklist. I figured that can go in my Happy Planner on the side. I like to always usually cover like the notes part that's over there. I loved those. And I just love the whole checklist thing. I thought these were really, really cute. And $2.49, that's a freaking amazing deal. And then I got these elastic bands. They were $1.24, originally $5. Super cute. This was by the Super Mom one, yes. So it says, love my tribe, and this one says bestish mom. I'm assuming you could put your pins in here. I haven't really opened it. I've seen other Planner Girls videos and they've had these. It could almost be a headband. Just kidding, I'm not going to use this as a headband. But I'm assuming your pin can go there because it just kind of holds your planner together and you can slide your pin right in there. So $1.24, that's a freaking good deal. I would say so. And then I got these little magnetic dividers. They were $1.24, originally $5. Thought these were super cute. I had some of these before in the past, but I'm kind of a cheapo. So I seen these at $1.24. I got them. And then this goes for my little personal planner I got. It was on clearance for $1.24. It's just some dividers. I thought they were really cute. Think, happy thoughts, wish, do. Everything is going exactly as planned, kind of. That's my life. Planners, gonna plan. And this just says, hello, gorgeous. I thought this was really cute. So I'm going to add that in and set up my little personal planner. And then I got a pencil pouch. I thought this was really cute. It was on clearance for $1.49. I thought the little tassel was cute. And then I got these stickers. They were on clearance for $1.24, originally $4.99. I think this is more of a like a faith one too, but it's not like too religious, if you get what I'm saying. But first God, plan on it. The little coffees, of course. Bless this hot mess. All my mamas can relate to that sticker. And then you guys probably really can't tell, but this was everything that's in there. So I really liked this one because, like I said, it wasn't like too religious, but it's like cute sayings, especially like the bless this hot mess, but still with like, you know, making you remember who comes first, if you get what I'm saying. And then I got these little sticky notes. They were $1.99. This was the Mom Life ones. I thought these were really cute. This game day one, my kid's a little one on sports, so I probably won't use that one. I'll just be honest. You got this, mama. Nap time is my happy hour. You know me, I love my power hours during that to buy Mom Life. I thought these were just really cute, especially the mom feel. Yeah, we all are living off of coffee, right? And there's something else down there at the bottom. Oh, appointment. It's covered. $1.99. And what I liked about this, you can just put this right into your Happy Planner since it has the cutouts already. And then this was by the Paper Studio. This is Drama Llama. I thought this was really, really cute. A whole bunch of cute sayings. Like I said, I'm loving Paper Studio stickers. They seriously, you guys have the cutest stickers. Try to get it open without destroying. I want to show you guys, flip through it because they're so cute. But they literally have the cutest stickers. And I love the Happy Planner, but the Paper Studio definitely comes through when it comes to cute stickers and accessories and all of that good stuff. You guys can't tell me this isn't cute. You've got this. No drama, llama. Save the drama for the llama. To do. So this would be cute. I'll have like a little llama layout going on one week. Bills, notes, goals to do. See, these are so cute. I love the foil. So cute. Coffee. Clean craft chores. You notice when stuff's new, it's like so hard to open. Love it. Make today awesome. These are like some little kind of like washi little layouts. Those are cute. I'm sorry, that is just so funny to me. It's making me giggle. Save the drama llama. So that's that little sticker book, $1.74. It was originally $7. And then the last thing I got, I've been seeing a lot of this around YouTube. I would never pay $7 for this. Again, I'm cheap. But it is the 12 page protectors, and it has 3 different sheets of designs where you can basically insert, if you'll see on the back, like pictures of your kids, little quotes. I've been seeing this and I just love it because I feel like it just personalizes your planner. So every time you open your planner, you're just reminded of like the important people, good motivational quotes. I just love this, and it was on clearance for $1.74. I honestly probably should have got another one of these because I know I'm probably going to go crazy and probably use all 12 sheets. But again, I would probably never pay $7 for this because I'm a cheap girl when it comes to certain things, at least. But this completed everything that I got, you guys. If you guys have a Hobby Lobby, I would definitely head there, hit up the clearance. And now this all wasn't in like the specific clearance section. It was with the planner stuff, but they just literally had tons. And there was still so much more stuff marked down. So definitely head over to your nearest Hobby Lobby, especially if you're a planner girl. Not even just a planner girl, because they had other cute home decor, all of the good stuff. You guys know when you go in Hobby Lobby, it's like hard to stay out of there because there's just so much going on, especially clearance. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you love seeing these type of hauls, let me know in the comments. Let me know what was your favorite thing out of this haul. What is something that you really liked and that stood out to you the most? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Little bunny ears.